Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the stethoscope. It is not like that whenever you become a doctor and use it. It is already available on Amazon. You can purchase and you can use that. Stethoscope, in that you have to put this side like that. Okay, this side is towards you like that. And then you have to put this thing in your ears. Okay, and down part you have to hold like that. Okay, down part you have to hold like that and just knock it here. If sound come, then it is okay. If sound not come, then just turn it round. Okay, if sound come, then here you have to on that and just now every part of the body that they have the vibration. A good doctor can understand that vibration. Okay, so different part of the body, the different vibrations are there. You have to try to understand. Correct here. I will hold like that. Just put it here. Okay. You should know that what is the heartbeat of the healthy person and the patient, and then compare, and then you come to know that what is the problem are there in different part of the body. Different are there. Okay. As well as from the back side also you can know if suppose someone is suffering from asthma or something like that. That also you can check. And it is the mechanical way. It need what? Medium. Okay. Here also you can know that how is the heartbeat. Okay. Okay. So like that you can use a stethoscope. It is not like that whenever you become a doctor and you use it. Okay. You can use by yourself. But don't give prescription to anyone that now you are suffering from any type of disease. Okay. I hope you like this. Thank you so much.